Welcome to the Kilgore and Colbert Place ready now. It is $329K, 3-bed, 2.5 bath at 1,600 square feet. Let's go on inside. This beautiful open concept floor plan has the living room leading right into the breakfast nook and the kitchen. It has upgraded shiplap and fireplace with ceiling fans in every room. This large kitchen is completely upgraded with quartz countertops, beautiful backsplash, a single basin sink, upgraded appliances, tiered cabinetry with crown molding, a nice pantry, an overall beautiful white and light kitchen. Checking out the outdoor oasis, which is a covered patio with ceiling fan. You have a nice side yard with lots of privacy with those beautiful bushes. Heading on upstairs, you have vaulted ceilings. Upstairs, you have 3 bedrooms, 2 guest rooms, both with walk-in closets. Both rooms do have ceiling fans with clickers. Also upstairs, you have a large linen closet in the hallway with ventilated shelving, a large walk-in laundry room, and a secondary full bath with quartz countertops and a bath and shower combo. This is the owner's suite with a large walk-in closet and an owner's bath with a double sink vanity, quartz countertops, and upgraded shower with seat.